In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to chat in Roblox with the new age verification update. Roblox now requires age verification before allowing players to use chat. So see an unlock chat button. When you open the chat box, you will need to complete the age check first. Start by joining any Roblox game and clicking on the unlock chat option. Then press continue when prompted to use your camera for verification. Roblox will explain that the camera is only used for age checking and that images are deleted after processing. And once you proceed, you can either use computers camera or choose to continue on another device if your PC does not have one. By scanning the QR code with your phone, you'll follow simple instructions like centering your face and turning slightly left and right while the system estimates your age. After the scan is complete, Roblox will place you into an age group and your chat will be unlocked so you can communicate with players in the same age range. Roblox now separates users into groups such as under 9, 9 to 12, 13 to 15, 16 to 17, 18 to 20, and 21 plus, meaning you can only chat with people in your verified group. If your age is detected incorrectly and it affects who you can talk to, you can verify further using official ID through Roblox system. The age is now mandatory and there is no way to use chat without completing it. So once you finish the verification, you'll be able to chat normally again. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.